BabyA Nursery channel.
How to make friends. What is a friend? Friends are people that you can have fun with. Friends share, play together, and laugh with each other. A friend is someone who knows all about you and still loves you just the way you are. A good friend can cheer you up when you are sad, stay with you when you are lonely, stick up for each other when someone is mean or being a bully. Your friends may change as you get older, but some friendships can last your whole life. Where can I meet new friends? Friends are everywhere. Start by looking around your classroom. Other places you might find friends. After school activities, camps, pools, parks, and playgrounds. What should I look for in a friend? It's easy to make friends with someone who likes to do the same things you do. Liking the same things is important, but it's even more important to find someone who is nice. Choose someone who smiles at you, shares, lets others join in. Moreover, choose someone who is interested in what you have to say and makes you feel good. A person who is mean, makes fun of others, and gets in trouble at school is not a good choice for a friend. What should I do? When it comes to making friends and keeping them, it requires all kinds of skills. Here are some tips from how to initiate a conversation to when to end the conversation. How to initiate a conversation. Once you've found someone who you think would be a good friend, look for chances to say hi, smile, and be friendly. At recess or on the playground, walk over, act friendly, and say hi, can I play too? Or just join in. Invite someone to play with you by saying, hi, wanna play? In classroom, say, do you want to sit here? Or can I sit with you? Taking turns in conversation. Just like you like to talk about your favorite things, so do friends. Ask your friend questions about himself or herself. This will make your friend feel special and keep the conversation going. Talking about a variety of topics. Do not just restricted interests that you are interested. There are lots of things that can be talked about. Identifying a topic to talk about. It is important to identify a topic to talk about with a given person as opposed to always talking about the same thing. Here is some example. Remember, do not keep talking the same thing. Learning not to take language too literally. It is important to learn not to take language too literally. Can you imagine if we would take this one literally? Did you have funny situations because you took too literally? understanding and using a variety of intonations. Intonation is about how we say something rather than what we say. It is referring to the way we use the pitch of our voice to express particular meanings and attitudes. Understanding nonverbal behavior. Whether you're aware of it or not, when you interact with others, you're continuously giving and receiving wordless signals. Here are some types of nonverbal communication. Facial expressions. The human face is extremely expressive, able to convey countless emotions without saying a word. The facial expressions are the same across cultures. Body movement and posture. The way you move and carry yourself communicates a wealth of information to the world. Gestures. Gestures are woven into the fabric of our daily lives. You may wave, point, or use your hands when arguing or speaking animatedly, often expressing yourself with gestures without thinking. However, the meaning of some gestures can be very different across cultures. While the OK sign made with the hand, for example, usually conveys a positive message in English-speaking countries, it's considered offensive in countries such as Germany, Russia, and Brazil. Eye contact. Eye contact is an especially important type of nonverbal communication. Eye contact is also important in maintaining the flow of conversation and for gauging the other person's interest and response. So, remember, look at the other's eyes when talking. Touch. We communicate a great deal through touch. Think about the very different messages given by a weak handshake, a warm bear hug, a patronizing pat on the head, or a controlling grip on the arm. Voice. When you speak, other people read your voice in addition to listening to your words. Things they pay attention to include your timing and pace, how loud you speak, your tone and inflection, and sounds that convey understanding, such as ah and aha. Remember, it's not just what you say, it's how you say it. Understanding personal space. Everyone feels more comfortable when the person they are with respects their personal space. Personal space can be divided into 4 zones. The intimate zone, the personal zone, the social zone, the public zone. Who are included? When to end the conversation. When you're making friends, it's important to know when to end the conversation or say goodbye. They will give clues like not look at you, doing something else, changing the subject. Important notes. Making a friend takes time. The most important thing is not to give up. Friends seldom come knocking on your door while you sit at home, playing on your laptop. Let's meet some new friend today.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.